Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah, your virtual sewing instructor. In some previous tutorial videos, I shared two methods for making gathers, and I thought it was time to put them in their own video so you can find it quickly. These gathering tips have helped me immensely, and I hope you find them helpful too. Here are my two most used methods for gathering. While this method is not my favorite, it is the one I often use, especially when making gathers on smaller areas. I find this method looks more natural and spreads out more evenly, in my opinion. After I came across the talented sewist Sew Bake Make and saw how she made gathers, her method became my favorite. This is the easy and time-saving method. If you are a person who loves the gathered look and love efficiency, I highly recommend this method. I hope this short video helps take your garments to the next level. I will meet you in my next video. 안녕!